What if you could sell something with almost zero fulfillment cost and really strong margins? Today, I'm showing you how to add personalization upsells inside your bundles. First, install the Kaching Bundles app from the Shopify App Store, or grab the link in the description. Now, create a new bundle or go with the existing one. Full bundle setup is linked in the top corner. I will use the previously created bundle offer. Once you're in Editor, head straight to the desired bundle tier and add personalization. Now, just note that by adding this, you will create a personalization product that will be hidden, but it may be seen in your store's collections. So please check it after. Now let's set the price. I'll compare at price so the offer looks stronger. I will also adjust the personalization modal so it fits my brand. Now just click publish and preview it live. And if you want bundle setups that can seriously increase your average order value, check out the next video.